record. I'm Commissioner Floyd B. McKissick, Jr. of the North Carolina Utilities Commission, the presiding commissioner for this hearing. With me this morning is Commissioner Karen M. Camerite. I now call for hearing docket number G-41 sub 59 in the matter of an application of Toccoa Natural Gas for annual review of gas costs pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 62, subsection 133.4C, and Commission Rule R1-17, subsection K6, in compliance with the requirements of Chapter 163A of the North Carolina Government Ethics Act. I remind the members of the Commission of our responsibility to avoid conflicts of interest, and I inquire whether any member has a conflict of interest with respect to the matter before us this morning. Let the record reflect that I have no such conflict and no such conflicts have been identified. North Carolina General Statute 62, subsection 133.4 authorizes gas cost adjustment proceedings for natural gas distribution companies and provides that the Commission shall conduct annual review proceedings to compare each natural gas utility's prudently incurred costs with costs recovered from the utility's customers served during the test period. Commission Rule R1-17, subsection K6 prescribes the procedure for such annual reviews of natural gas costs. On August 29th, 2023, Toccoa Natural Gas, hereinafter referred to at times as Toccoa, filed the direct testimony and exhibits of Harry Franklin Scott Jr. and Raya Tripp relating to this annual review proceedings, some of which are confidential. On September 8th, 2023, the Commission issued an order scheduling hearing requiring filing of testimony, establishing discovery guidelines, and requiring public notice. That order scheduled this hearing for today, November 1st at 9:31 a.m. On September 29th, 2023, Toccoa filed a motion for partial suspension of hearing schedule. On October 5th, 2023, the Commission granted Toccoa's motion and continued the expert witness portion of the November 1st, 2023 hearing pending further order of the Commission. Public witness portion of the hearing is being convened now as scheduled. On October 9th, 2023, Toccoa filed an affidavit of publication of public notice. No petitions to intervene were filed in this docket. The intervention and participation of the public staff is recognized pursuant to North Carolina General Statute 62, subsection 15, subsection D, and Commission Rule R1-19E. I now call for appearances of counsel, beginning with Toccoa.
Yes, Commissioner Jack Taggart from Fox Rothschild on behalf of Toccoa Natural Gas.
And I will now recognize the public staff.
Good morning, Elizabeth Culpepper with the public staff appearing on behalf of the using and consuming public.
Okay. Have you identified any public witnesses present to testify in this docket?
There are none.
All right. And I will look into the audience to see if there are any in the room that have not identified themselves as signing up to participating in this hearing. There are none, and let the record reflect that for the purposes of this hearing. Let me go ahead and proceed to see if there's any other matters that need to come before us today. Are there any procedural matters?
Yes, we would like to resume the scheduling hearing to reschedule the hearings for the expert witnesses.
It's my understanding that at this time, they've tentatively set a date of Tuesday, November 30th, 2024 at 10 a.m.
Is that January?
Excuse me, January. I apologize. Yeah, let me restate that for the record. Tentatively set it for Tuesday, January 30th, 2024 at 10 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Is that your understanding as well? All right. With that said, if there are no other matters to come before us today, then we will now officially adjourn this hearing at this time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.